There's no sign saying we can't check them out. Let's go. When Jay and I left the waterfall, we were driving up the road, and on the hill you could see these white domes from a distance. And when we got here, you can see in the background there are all these little places that you can stay. Some are closed, but this one was open. It's such a cool little area. As you can see all of the different levels of farming, and it's just neat to see all the levels of different domes. What a great view of the valley. We kept driving up the hill, and I think we're at the highest point, and there's it's like a homestay with a whole bunch of yurts, and they're all like abandoned. So I'm gonna take you for a walk around. Here, there's a little washroom. There's one that doesn't have a pole in the center, so it's just laying there flat. And then there's some more. I think it's bizarre because back home this would be like blocked off, cameras, security, nobody allowed to go in. But here it's like, meh, come along, walk up and check it out. I don't know. It's just bizarre. Look at this cute little tented area. It's completely abandoned. Don't see anybody around. Look at these little tents. Just an A-frame tent. How cute are those? Doesn't say we can't go check them out. Alright, so we just inquired about a little place to stay on the hill, so she's going to actually show us the room. Check out this view. Unreal. This is the room. There's a fan. TV, bed, and a washroom for 1,200 baht a night for 2 people. Alright, so there's another place here that I want to take you to. There's a little lookout right here. Again, Kind of looks abandoned, but we're gonna take these stairs, go down, and then go up. Stand her up all day and look at this view. So just down below this platform is an awesome view, as I showed you, but there are two like little domes. Driving back from the waterfall, it was a complete surprise that we stumbled upon this hillside dome city. It was very cool. I can't believe all of the sights that we saw. I could have stood there for days and just looked at all the views and all the little domes, the A-frame, the buildings that you could stay at. They were very cool.
We just got a couple of Italian sodas, cost $100 for the beer, and we're just sitting here cooling off a little bit. Not that it was super hot today; it was pretty mild actually up in the mountains. So we're just gonna sit here and enjoy these and kind of take it all in for a little bit, and then hop back on the highway for probably a half-hour jaunt back to Chiang Mai, and that'll be our day.